Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy again from Chayatsuji Kimono. Today I wanted to show you how I partially do my Obiage and something that I found helpful when it comes to getting the Obiage sit neatly. For the longest time I've struggled with not getting it neat, not getting it sit the way I wanted it to be, and not having it look like it would on others. So it's this little trick with just putting my fingers over it that makes it a lot more neat. Now I must say this works far better with chilimen, like the crepe ones, than it does with the rinse or the satin weave ones, because those are a little bit more tricky anyway. But nonetheless it does work as long as you keep the tension of it. Now I will say this isn't something I was able to do straight from the beginning. It will take practice, like pretty much with anything, but it is a nice little trick that will help you getting it sit beautifully and neat as well. So yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. Now first of all, you would just want to fold up the Obiage as you do normally. So what I do is into thirds. And then the other side. And then this part folded in half. What I do now is just fold the entire thing over so that the folded part is on the underside. And then I just temporarily tuck that in, and then do the other side. Okay. You can press pause if you're not that fast, so that's okay, don't worry. What I do now is pulling both sides, not too taut, but putting a little bit of pressure on it. And then I simply, as left over right as always, tie them. But I pull it straight up, so that I don't lose any of the tension. So yeah, this is still nice and taut. And then, as normal, just making a knot. Now don't pull this knot too tight, otherwise it will kind of wrinkle. So as long as it sits nicely, it does what it needs to do. And then I tuck the tails in. Then the only part I'm going to push in is this, the knot. I'm going to push that in. And the rest, I put my fingers like that and then just push over the Obiage. And then on the other side, it's nice now that I can actually see myself and correct things if I need to. But that is pretty much how it should look like. Now, like I said in the intro, this will take practice. It's not something that I was able to do straight from the beginning. However, putting my fingers like that and just going over the Obiage does seem to help quite a bit in getting it neat. So yeah, that's all I have to say for you now. I will let you guys go, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.